first it was models. They were just pretty faces. Now it's influencers.
Influencer.
Just selling skincare. But no one talks about the pressure, the burnout, the battle behind every post. Meet Lavanya Bikram Konkara, founder of a holistic clean beauty salon, Blush and Curls. Plus, she just achieved 1+ million strong tribe. 10 years kids are getting product from Sephora. Imagine the brand thing, unke liye it's just a profit rush and all, but
Correct. There was a report that came out saying 62% of women who died of cancer were salon workers. That's a very big number.
big number, yeah. And no one is talking about.
No one will talk. Actually, no one is gonna talk.
100 dirham में 15 सर्विस देने वाला how will maintain this hygiene?
100 dirham में 15 services मत दो. Because there are a lot of toxic chemicals that goes inside the professional products inside the salon, which leads to carcinogens inside their body, causing cancer, high blood pressure.
I have seen 3 साल का एक बच्चा को सैलून में बैठा दिया and pricking out that बाल को कलर कर रहा है and she's crying loud at her. It feels so bad.
We had clients where they push their daughters to get waxing done at a very, very early age. When you do these kind of beauty treatments, automatically your body is like stop working and your skin will burn faster.
Do you think content creation can be a career?
You do not get into peer pressure of thinking that,
Yeah,
oh, she is content creator, she is making money, so let me also be a content creator. No, if you don't have a passion, don't jump into it.
Thank you so much for being with me for so long. So there is a time when I should also give you something from my end. This is not the end. This is the starting, and also in between the episode, we have another surprise for you. So keep watching, and LOL Thrive, your glow up shouldn't break the bank. It's just went high tech. From frizz-free hair to air so clean it feels like therapy. It's Dyson Week. You are absolutely right. It's Dyson Week. Hair care, vacuums, air purifiers, even noise cancelling headphones, all engineered for the life you are building. Use code D88. I'll give down also, I'll give it in the comment section also. Use code D88 at checkout and unlock exclusive Dyson deals just for you, just for our tribe. Follow, subscribe, and get ready. Go off leash. So, meet Lavanya Bikram Konkani and let's get into the influencer journey. Thank you so much for coming over here. And let's start with a tough one.
Thank you very much first of all for having me, Kasturi. मैंने आपके सारे podcast देखे.
Oh, thank you so much.
बहुत सारे, and I love how you pull in those concept, and the most important being, unfiltered. I think वो सबसे raw जो चीज़ आप अपने podcast में करते, that's why I agreed to do this. So thank you for having me. It's my honor.
Thank you so much for all this nice. What a start. And let's start with a tough one. What would you say to that voice that whispers in your ear? Would they really listen to you if you don't have this 1 million?
I would still. Yes, I would. Because I believe that I started at a very, very young and a very raw stage of my life. तो मेरे लिए popularity कभी भी एक criteria नहीं रही है. ऐसा नहीं था कि मैं पॉपुलर बनूं, लोगों के सामने जाओ, people should know me who is Lavanya. That was not the idea behind starting my Instagram or being someone from no one to someone, I would say, on a social media platform. The whole point that I did was for my business, actually. I am a very, very private person. I love to, be in my own shell and do stuff. But जब business आती है, then I decided to educate people and, promote what our concept was, how are we different, and हमारी जो concept थी that I wanted to spread across. So that's how I entered into social media where I started educating and passing on the knowledge. And eventually, post COVID, I ended up promoting other businesses in UAE. So it was just a pure intention. जो तकलीफ से मैं गुजर रही हूँ, I can understand हर एक business UAE में have some or the other problems, and my whole intention was to help, promoting. That was a food restaurant that I started. And then I never looked back. सब, brands आते गए, and, I started working and, doing not only now I don't do only Dubai or UAE, but I do globally. मैं globally भी काफ़ी brands के साथ काम करती हूँ, tourism boards के साथ काम करती हूँ. और जो प्लेजर है ना, आई एम लाइक दैट, कि जो देने का जो प्लेजर है ना, किसी के चेहरे पे हंसी और जो खुशी दिखती है ना, दैट समहाउ गिव्स मी इमेंस प्लेजर. सो
Touch wood.
तो ये आई थिंक दैट वाज द होल कॉन्सेप्ट, एंड दैट आई एम स्टिल डूइंग. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि यस, हु वुडंट लव टू वर्क विद अ सर्टेन ब्रांड. वेल नहीं आ रहा है तो इट्स ओके, आई एम हैप्पी विथ, समटाइम्स इट पुट्स यू डाउन, समटाइम्स इट मेक्स यू फील बैड. But at the end of the day, ये खुशी की बात है, that I opened a business 10 years, I'm running it, and जो concept मैं चाहती थी वो चल रहा है, लोगों को वो पता है कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं, why are we different. तो ये मुझे ज़्यादा खुशी देती है, और हम एक concept के साथ एक community में इस awareness को लेकर आए, और बहुत सारे लोग उसी कारण मुझसे जुड़ गए. So I think that gives me more immense pleasure. So that's as simple as that.
Wow. So जब हम unfiltered चले ही गए, and we are talking unfiltered communities. See, when we do something on purpose now,
Correct.
Meta, YouTube, all are saying now they're saying कि build a community. They don't care about likes. They don't care about follow, subscribes. They care about the community.
Correct.
They save, they share, and you already build it.
Yeah.
Long back.
Long back.
So you build it first community, and then she run for the purpose.
Yeah.
And उस बीच में I know we had a work, like we had a word backstage, behind the scene. We had lots of work, but I wanted to come up with influencer. How Karina say influencer.
I like that actually. I like the way how she says. See, I think it has also put them into a lot of pressure.
Pressure.
Yeah,
So-
because they were thinking that,
Yeah. And it's coming directly from you, Lavanya. Modern love is just swipes, DMs, and ghosting. We turned romance into a push notification.
For me, no. Because I'm always been a romantic person. That's how I am. Maybe it's I would say my birth sign, or how I am. So for me, it is very intimate. Like I said, I'm a very private person, and whatever I give it out from heart, and I really don't need to prove anyone कि मैं चिल्ला कर scheme नहीं बताती हूँ कि मैं क्या कर रही हूँ. So for me, it's always been there. But yes, I love to express. I'm a very expressive person. Saying that I'm a private person, but I'm a very expressive person. तो मैं काफ़ी चीज़ें, जैसे मेरे हस्बैंड के लिए मैं कुछ पोस्ट डाल देती हूँ या कुछ कर देती हूँ. He is not very confident with me doing all of
So
that.
that's where I wanted to come. Please take your husband's name,
Yeah.
and world should know that man. Venice.
So his name is Vikram Dilip Kokne. He was working here. We both were working in IT security. Like he was in the government. I was working in a very corporate world, and that's how we met. So through an online portal, and then we never looked back. So we dated for almost a year and a half, 2 years, and then we decided to get married. So then rest is history. We know each other for almost 15 years. Married for almost 13 years. So it's more started with a friendship. तो उस time पर तो
15 years,
हाँ.
13 years. And see, we belong from that generation only.
Yeah.
जहाँ प्यार मतलब प्यार.
प्यार है, हाँ.
वो मतलब die hard fan of प्यार.
Correct. तो हर चीज मेरी पूरी I would say मेरी पूरी दुनिया उसके इर्द गिर्द घूमती है.
हाँ.
I always tell him, मैं आज भी कहती हूँ कि I think I love him more than he loves me. बिकॉज मैंने बहुत पापड़ बेले उससे उसको कन्विंस करने के लिए. बिकॉज हम दोनों बहुत ही डिफरेंट बैकग्राउंड से बिलोंग करते हैं. मैं यहाँ पर बॉर्न एंड रेस्ड हूँ. मेरे लाइफ को देखने का नजरिया बहुत डिफरेंट है, उसके लाइफ को देखने का नजरिया बहुत डिफरेंट है. स्टिल हम दोनों में कुछ चीजें ऐसे कॉमन है दैट हम दोनों दोस्त. हाँ, करेक्ट, हम दोनों दोस्त बने. वो मेरी सारी खामियां और मेरी सारी स्ट्रेंथ वो जानते हैं, एंड आई नो ऑल हिज स्ट्रेंथ एंड वीकनेसेस. सो when it comes to expressing love, it is, yes, I post few things on social media. I love to show, not show the world, actually show him.
Yeah.
I love to write. That's how I am. I love to write something unique for him from my heart. I'm like that. But if he's not like that, sometimes I feel not really good. But then I understand in all these years that, ठीक है, he's taking his own space. He don't have to chilla kar, have to tell people that. But sometimes, as you mentioned, it becomes a social peer pressure where, if he does not post, and अगर किसी ने भी एक बार भी पूछ ले आपसे कि I saw you posting about your husband all the time, why isn't he posting about it?
Oh, that's
Then
also a pressure.
That's a pressure, and unnecessary it works. I was not like that. I never used to think in any of, I didn't care about. But from last year, a year and a half, I've been battling depression and anxiety. So ये thoughts बहुत फटाफट click करते हैं. Now I'm learning to let go those kind of thoughts, and so love is very natural, very this thing. But saying that being a social media person, there is some kind of thing that I love to express on my social media, trying to keep it very simple and naive and express what's in my heart.
Yeah, because see, as we talked, हम अब बात की, हमें पता है what a husband like Vikram is for you.
Yeah.
But that man also deserve a global recognition. So उनका नाम इसलिए मेरे को लाना था आपसे. And thank you, Vikram, for making such strong woman. And because आज के डेट में ये ज़्यादातर सुना जाता है कि फीमेल होता है एक मैन के पीछे, फीमेल होता है. And when it's come like my husband, like your husband, who are making women strong.
Correct,
Like
agree.
husbands like this, every woman deserve it.
Agreed. Especially last year, he actually became a shadow to me because he had never seen me like that in whole years. Okay, I had to shut down myself in a room and stay and not do the things that I used to love to do. I was not able to do. So he became like a shadow, and he kept reminding me and telling me every single day, every hour, "Kitty ko jayega. You will come back to your form." Till date, he does that. So I think I'm blessed. I would say I'm grateful ever that he's in my life, and he actually polished me to a better person. I would say that because I lived all my life alone. I lost my parents when I was very young. So उस time से लेकर I'm a reflection of many people. जहाँ मैं गई हूँ, मैं रही हूँ, मैं लोगों से सीख कर I'm like that. But he actually brought the best out of me. So I think that's very important that, as a partners, you need to complement each other. I think I bring the best out of him. He brings the best out of me. So ये बहुत ही important रहता है. And most important thing है कि इसमें compromises रहती है, adjustments रहता है. बहुत सारे एंड ऐसा कोई कपल नहीं है इस दुनिया में जो झगड़े ना करो.
झगड़ा तो होना
चाहिए दैट इज स्पाइस. बट उस झगड़े को किस तरीके से हम उसको समझ कर और उसको हम किस तरीके से उसको एक सही पाथ में डालें, ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. तो दोनों में से रिसेंटली जो प्रैक्टिस में अपने घर पे कर रही हूँ, मैं अपने आप पे जो कर रही हूँ कि दोनों में से एक जन एटलीस्ट काम डाउन रहे और उस एनर्जी और उस वाइब्रेशन को अगर घर में बिठा तो बाकी का भी माहौल
हो जाएगा. ठीक.
हाँ.
आपने 2-3 बारी आपसे बात हुआ या आप पता चला है आपसे भी एक कभी नया लहर चल रहा है ये से कि फाउंडर डिप्रेशन. अबाउट फाउंडर डिप्रेशन बिकॉज फाउंडर बनना, एंटरप्रेन्योर बोलना जितना स्टाइलिश लगता है, उस पोजीशन में रहना इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट. बिकॉज आपको पता है कि महीने की 1 तारीख को देयर विल बी नो बिल फॉर योर सैलरी सिक्योर. बट यस, महीने की 25th तारीख से आपके दिमाग में एक बैक ऑफ द माइंड चलेगा, दिस बंच ऑफ पीपल आर वेटिंग फॉर देयर सैलरी. बाय हुक और बाय क्रुक वी हैव टू डू इट.
करेक्ट.
सो एक प्रेशर होता है एंड एक माहौल बनता है. You've been through that.
Yes.
So is this the reason you've been through your depression?
There are multiple reasons to it. Like in 10 years of the business, there are so many things that I always, what you rightly mentioned. Entrepreneur जितनी खूबसूरत और stylish word है सुनने में, especially women entrepreneur. And people put one more tag to it that you're a strong woman. So yeah, I think we take it very seriously. And I understood this recently that we really don't need to be strong.
Exactly.
We are humans.
Exactly.
And what if we are not able to do multiple tasks? What if we do mistake? It's okay, sometimes to melt down, sometimes to just, be at your bed and do absolutely nothing. And this is not required to actually wear that coat and that mask of being a strong woman all the time. As much as it is good to hear, it is also it creates a very peer pressure on yourself. And you always try to fit in that, that suit of being a strong woman. So it's okay to let go. Yes, there are multiple reasons because when you are in business for such a long time, there are multiple things that happens personally, professionally, business like you what mentioned, staff, because you are also responsible for their home and their life food.
Absolutely.
So something goes wrong, then you have to take a decision. Then, it can, so many things, just patterns. So it is not one or two thing, but it's the continuous traumas that you're brushing under the carpet. And you are just thinking ke it's okay. And you are telling your mind, kuch nahi, koi problem nahi hai. And you don't speak about it because you have this tagline that you're a strong woman. So you try to be strong and you try to gulp everything and then one day it just burst out.
Yeah,
Broke. So then uske baad your body and your mind gives you that message that you are done. And it can be a small trauma. It can be something that, triggers.
That trigger. What, if you are comfortable, absolutely. What that triggers you to become such meltdown, such like कि अब कंट्रोल नहीं हो पाया. That's last stage कि बेटा अब हो चुका है.
Like I mentioned, एक चीज हो तो बताऊं, but it is multiple things, to and fro back, जो incidents है, जो मतलब काम के related हो गए, personal related हो गए, घर के related. अभी कोई दूर भी खड़ा है, who is standing like far but looking at me and maybe they are not even bothered and talking about me. तो वो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि they are talking about me. ऐसे कुछ तो they are talking, so that puts me into a very different state of mind where I am not able to tolerate. I've reached to a level where I was not able to face the crowd as well. I used to hold my husband's hand and walk in a mall or in a crowded place because my heartbeat would race, my underarms would sweat, my feet would go cold, my hands would sweat. तो इतनी problems थी. Today I'm sitting here and having a podcast with you. In last 1 year, whatever podcast and interviews or events I've been, he's always been beside. It's the first time I'm doing this with you in this 1.5 year that I'm alone. I keep.
No, he's there. I already took his name.
Yeah. So, it's something that I feel that, I can do it. I'm going back to the thing, but I'm going in a smaller way.
Slowly.
तो जैसे ही कोई भी triggers आता है, जो भी thoughts, जो negative thoughts जो build up होता है, I'm like, okay, ये incident हो चुका है. There is nothing related to it now. I'm happy. Things around me is happy. People around me is happy. I'm living in a happy environment. So I keep giving this message to me that I'm grateful, I'm happy, I'm loving, I'm powerful, and I am calm. Soul. I keep giving these 5 messages to me every day morning. So that helps me in healing and bringing that energy down. And I'm grateful for whatever I have in my life. So koi problem nahi. When I started doing this healing process and breathing process, it is helping me to throw off those, thoughts. कि जो हो गया, उसके ऊपर हम सोचकर, क्या कर सकते. कुछ तो कर नहीं सकते. It's just hurting me more,
Yeah. So आप इसको recover करने के लिए आप therapy लिए हो? Medicines therapy.
Yes, I was in a medicine. मैंने anxiety के initial से जब मेरी आवाज़ बिल्कुल ही बंद हो गई थी.
बिल्कुल.
हाँ, I was not able to talk.
Oh, is it kind of a shock you got?
Yes, so it's the doctor says that it is out of 3% of people go through this traumatic thing. So it affects your speech because it's connected with your nerves. अभी आप देख रहे हो, you know, sometimes I
see the throat.
yeah. So I was not like that before. अभी तो at least मैं clearly बोल पा रही हूँ because I learned slowly on how to control my emotions and my fear so that I can speak. So it happens only when you know you are in that level. तो मैं मुंह से एक शब्द भी नहीं बोल पा रही. That actually broke me down further. Because for a person like me who loves to talk and being in a stage and वो सब कर रही थी, जब आवाज ही चली गई and when I was not able to talk, that actually broke me down. So 8 months, almost 9 months, I was off the grid from my Instagram, was not talking. I was posting picture and stuff. So people were asking, you know, they noticed that what happened, you're not coming on the grid, you're not talking. So I remember last year in August was sometime that I put a story out saying, see, this is my current condition. It took me a lot of effort to put that story out. But the thing what happened was that I got more than 200 messages from women, women mostly, saying that don't worry, we are with you. Then they started sharing their stories and I was crying in every single message. कि ऐसे भी you know लोग हैं. I at least had the courage to talk, but there are people who don't want to talk about it. So ये initially मैंने जब मेरा पूरा voice खत्म हो गया था, that time my husband took me to you know this thing and I was on an anxiety pill for a month. But then I stopped because that was total of a 3 months course, but I stopped in 1 month. The simple reason is I didn't want to be dependent on medicine. And that was the toughest thing because iske liye ye, it took me a longer time, but I would cry, I would break down, I would sleep, I would not do anything, but you know, I would recharge the next day, start again. But then I was on a sleeping pills. I just stopped it almost a month, 2 months back, where I was not getting sleep because in the sleep I would just मैं झटके मार के, you know, I would jerk and get up.
It's the deep shock, something shock.
Yeah, so it's the
so much.
yeah, so
mentally.
so it was the trauma that you know those things would come in out of nowhere when you're sleeping because it's not your thought, but in sleep it just comes and you just wake and then your whole one left side starts paining, you have pain, then you cannot sleep, you're awake from 3 a.m. until 5 and all of that. But then now, you know, I try to do the things that I love the most. So recently, what I identified in this 1 month, we had one of our closest friends celebrating their 25th wedding anniversary. So me and my husband were planning the whole thing at the band with our rest of our friends. So इस दौरान ना I was I'm a trained Kathak dancer also. I love dancing. So I was choreographing the entire group of dancing. And that's when I understood that something that gives me immense pleasure is teaching. You know, something that I spread awareness. So that's when I started going back to sitting in the salon, you know, teaching my girls, training. That gives me a peace of mind and that helps me for a better sleep as well. So that's the routine that I'm following right now.
You said this because exactly the mirror image I got it. Have you heard from Burari case?
No.
Burari crime case. Okay, so there was a place in Delhi and there was 11 people, entire people are there, like 11 members are there.
Okay.
And there was a crime happened and entire 11 people have
Hang, yeah.
Netflix there.
Yeah.
So there was the youngest son, his voice was like stopped for around 7-8 months to the epic shock he got.
Yeah.
And after this, I listened your one. This is the second time I'm listening it. That voice.
Yeah. So when I had lot of messages coming from lot of people, most of them they found this in teenagers. This is very common in kids where, you know, they will start stumbling and they can't talk, shiver and all of that. But they say that it goes and can come back because whenever you feel
power.
Yeah. So you have to work
strong.
out. You have to let go. You know, letting go is that. So sometimes we say that we need to fight Actually, the right word is not fighting, it is letting go. Because when you fight with something that is already there, it is not helping. So it's the best thing to do is let go.
Let go. And it's, ये ना भगवान में भी बोलते हैं
Correct.
समर्पण कर दो,
जी, मतलब
डाल
उनके
दो
ऊपर, हाँ,
यार कि हाँ अब देख लो,
देख लो।
हो गई, हमसे जितना भी करना था
करेक्ट,
हमने कर लिया, अब आप देख लो.
करेक्ट,
सो इट्स बेटर सरेंडर
ट्रू.
एंड हील हो जाएगा. एंड थैंक गॉड. एंड यू लुकिंग लवली, यू लुकिंग
Thank
सो
you.
प्रिटी. कभी कभी हम लड़कों को बोलते बोलते ना, आजकल हम फीमेलों को भी बोले लगे स्ट्रॉन्ग. हो जाती है गलती यार. इट्स ओके.
करेक्ट.
It's okay to be wrong. It's okay to be failed. It's okay to not sleep at night exactly by 12. It's okay to sleep at 3 and wake up at 11. It's okay.
Yeah.
कभी
Who
कभी
cares,
देखते हैं,
यार?
who cares? किसको जवाब देनी है?
करेक्ट.
जब हम स्कूल में थे तो हम जवाब देते थे कि हाँ पढ़ाई करनी, एग्जाम है, फिर हसल चलती रही, फिर ऑफिस है, जॉब है. अभी एक ऐसा कंडीशन में है कि ठीक है यार, हो गई.
करेक्ट.
सो इट्स ओके.
Yeah.
रील कभी कभी फिडल कर लेना स्टूपिड नहीं होता. इट्स ओके.
Yeah.
कभी कभी होता है ना
Correct.
कि हमें मन करता है कि कोई कुछ बोले ना, बस हम कुछ भी करें, हम नहीं नहाएंगे
हाँ.
आज, विल नॉट टेक बाथ, विल ईट एट 4.
Yeah.
एक स्ट्रिक्ट रूटीन, एक स्ट्रिक्ट डाइट, एक स्ट्रिक्ट लाइफ कभी कभी रोबोटिक हो जाता है.
Yeah.
एंड वी ऑल शुड टेक ब्रेक फ्रॉम ऑल दिस थिंग्स.
Yeah. It is very important.
वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट.
Yeah.
ऐसा नहीं कि भाई अब ये मत शुरू कर देना आप लोग कि कल से ही शुरू कर दो भाई हम ऑफिस नहीं जाने का.
नहीं, ये नहीं कहने का मतलब.
ये नहीं करता. लेकिन इट्स ओके टू बी नॉट नॉर्मल एक दिन के लिए.
Yeah. Correct.
एंड आई विश कि आप जो फेज से गुजरे हो वो फेज से आप फिर से ना गुजरो.
Yeah.
You will, because you are one of the example जो विल पावर से किए हो.
Yeah.
Medications थी but you stopped that.
Yeah.
I respect those people who went through depression and anxiety because it's something जो empathy, sympathy कोई नहीं समझ सकता जब तक ना जो उस लाइन से चले.
Correct.
No one can understand. No one can understand जितना भी बोले. And hats off to you.
Thank you.
बट इसके पीछे भी एक बहुत सारी कहानी है जो आई वांटेड टू टॉक की. द ट्वीट सेज क्लीन ब्यूटी इज जस्ट अ मार्केटिंग स्कैम. प्रूव मी रॉन्ग. द ट्वीट सेज बट सो व्हाट्स योर आंसर? क्लीन ब्यूटी इज मार्केटिंग स्कैम?
That's what people try to explain.
Yeah.
You know, so the thing is that our skin is not a masterpiece for experiences. You know, I repeat that statement that our skin is not a masterpiece for experiences, number one. Two, we should always prefer health over hype.
Correct.
It is very simple as that. I think I answered all of that. So, clean beauty, yes, a lot of people have started talking about it. When I started my business, Blush and Curls, Lady Salon and Spa in 2016, this was my concept that I wanted to go 100% chemical free owned salon in UAE. So the whole concept was to keep it clean and safe for everyone, specifically for my team who's working inside, because there are a lot of toxic chemicals that goes inside the professional products inside the salon, which leads to carcinogens inside their body, causing cancer, high blood pressure, for infertility,
For the workers, for the staff?
for the staff mostly,
Okay.
but also for the clients who go and take the treatment very regularly. So this was when I started in 2016. But in the mid of 2019, at the end of 2019, there was a report that came out saying 62% of women who died were of cancer were salon workers. That's a very big number.
Big number, yeah. And no one is talking about
No one will talk. Actually, no one is going to talk. So people started panicking that time, thinking that, oh, then you will start seeing, we started seeing a shift from 2019 onwards where people are talking organic,
Yeah.
going vegan
Suddenly-
products. Suddenly there is a change because what they did was there is a very toxic chemical that was being used, is still being used in hair care products, in nail products like formaldehyde, where, you know, let's say you go and do your hair straightening treatments, you get that smoke, you get that eye burning, you feel choking. और आपके साथ जो रात को पास में सो रहे वो भी नहीं सो पा रहा because of smell. Same goes with the hair color, with the nail extension products and stuff. So all the products that we use inside the salon, it's 100% toxic free chemicals. So when we started this concept, did today, when I look back in 10 years, which I'll complete next year, we've been awarded, recognized by a lot of entities, governments, semi-governments from UAE, from outside, because of keeping this concept till date towards a safer community. We have a more than 200 plus post-cancer survivors who come to us. They show their doctors the labels of the products and they're saying it is safe. So if you come to my salon, you will not...
safe.
Yeah, it's safe. So if you come to my salon, you wouldn't see any product that is commercially known. क्योंकि ये सारे brands आपने कभी देखे भी नहीं रहेंगे, सुने भी नहीं रहेंगे. Because we are not using any products that's commercially, available in online. So people started talking. Now what happened, like you mentioned that, the hype of people talking clean beauty is a marketing tactic. The simpler way to sell any product has become like saying it is organic. But the most important thing that I always tell my client in all my videos is that read the label behind. This is very important. A product can be organic, stating from front, or vegan or natural, but read the labels at the back where it shows it has thousands of toxic chemicals. So even if the product is saying organic, but it is infused with a chemical, it will still cause you the same biological hazard that a product has without being organic. So clean beauty, like
Not a concept.
yeah. So a lot of people, they started using this concept saying that, oh, now we all are towards clean beauty. But what is actually clean beauty? That's why I started my statement saying that skin is not a masterpiece for experiences and we need to choose health over hype. Because a lot of people, like in social media, it can be a blessing in disguise. Because these days, everyone is using everything thopifying on their face.
Yeah. Get ready with me.
Yeah. And if someone is saying hyaluronic acid, everyone would jump on hyaluronic acid.
Salicylic acid.
Salicylic, niacinamide, collagen, vitamin C, everything. These were not like really known, but because thanks to social media and TikTok and Instagram, people just jump over this and start applying on your face without knowing.
Exactly, because the research said that 60% of women still use skincare filled with androstenamine.
True.
Disruptors known to lipstick hormones, or which hijack your hormones, fertility, mental health, and here's the darkest truth: salon workers is also getting harmed, as you said.
Yes.
But 60%?
60%.
Imagine.
I had people working for me, their moms, their sisters, most of them died of cancer, were salon workers. Because the amount of inhalation that they take from these toxic chemicals like formaldehyde, PPD, PTD, resorcinol, camphor, acrylates, dibutyl phthalates, so many chemicals that is generally found in your hair products, skin products, nail products, everywhere. So whenever they're doing any treatment, they are the first one. So as a client, you would walk in, maybe you're doing one time and you're off.
Oh yeah,
But she is doing maybe 10 clients in a day, and in the same closed environment, even though the ventilation is good of the salon, still they're inhaling this directly, because when they're ironing, they're applying. So it can cause physical damage, which is seen like damaging the hair or whatever. But apart from that, it also causes, inhalation causing carcinogen. Now there is also a very, ugly truth or a bitter dark side to, salon businesses.
Yeah.
Is that when people don't care about hygiene, this is very, very important. That's why in UAE specifically, Dubai municipality has a very strict protocols when they maintain the standards for the salon. So they set out certain protocols and every salon has to follow this.
Okay.
So in Dubai alone, we have more than 4,000 plus salons only in Dubai. And there are only 8 salons which are A Gold. That means they follow the entire protocol from the Dubai municipality. We are one of them.
Wow.
So when COVID hit us, we were not actually worried, because we were any which ways following the
same
protocols. The only thing we needed to add was the disinfecting process that we added. But we were using disposable, we were using everything. Recently, I don't know if you have seen in TikTok, there was a lady whose leg was amputated. That means उसके पैर काट दिए because of she did fish pedicure in Thailand. You have seen that.
Yeah, very famous. वो जो अभी fish को लेके ही इतनी-
Yeah, so a lot of people do fish pedicure. Why you think this would have happened? Fishes cannot be sterilized.
Yeah.
Number one, we cannot put them under heat. वो तो फिर fry हो जाएंगे. So they cannot be sterilized. It's very, very important that when you visit a salon, you should make sure that your tools that's coming in front of you for doing your pedicure, manicure is sterilized and opened in front of you in a pouch. Very
Correct.
simple.
Very
This
simple.
is very simple. Like you go to a doctor's clinic, you see the sterilization pouch is opened, she will take it out, injection or whatever,
Throw it.
equipments, and then she'll use it and throw it. Similarly, this sterilization procedure is put for this reason. Because although you can clean with Dettol or whatnot, but if it is not sterilized in a certain heat, the bacteria still stays in that tool and it's transformed from one to another,
Correct.
causing issue of even cutting your leg off or chopping off your leg.
सेम आप देखोगे ना जेंट्स का भी बोलते हैं ना कि जैसे शेव के बाद ब्लेड आप फेंक दो
फेंक दो,
इट्स काइंड ऑफ कि अगर थोड़ा सा भी ब्लड लग गया तो इट विल
खत्म हो जाए. हाँ.
सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड दिस इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट लाइक द फर्स्ट वन टू चेक ऑन सैलून.
Yes. And the
Salon
second
checks.
thing that you need to do on salon check is when you do waxing procedure. तो आपने देखा होगा कि बहुत सारे salons में UAE में पोस्टर लगे हुए रूम्स में नो डबल डिपिंग,
ओके
राइट?
व्हाट्स डबल डिपिंग?
सो कि आप वैक्स में एक बार डुबा रहे हो, दोबारा नहीं डुबा सकते.
व्हाट द स्टिक?
द स्टिक.
Okay.
बट पीपल डिप इट, राइट? वैक्सिंग करते हो 3-4 बार सेम स्टिक डिप हो रहा है और आपके शरीर में आ रहा है, वापस से आपकी स्किन में आ रहा है. सो दिस पार्ट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. हाउ? When you dip, the wax goes back into your skin. So first is your germs, bacteria, जो भी आपके skin में है, goes into your wax. Wax is contaminated. But the most important thing is that in our body, what kind of problem, God forbid, we have, we don't know unless we get it checked.
Correct.
Right? So in our blood, maybe some virus is there. Let's say virus is just 0.5%. As soon as it goes to the hot host, it multiplies into 10,000s. That same thing goes back to your skin.
Oh,
So, जो virus is like only 0.5, now it's into thousands into your skin. So, immediately you can have issues like skin cancer, blood cancer, high blood pressure, infertility, hormonal imbalance, any of that. Apart from being skin irritation, you can have all of this.
so many things.
So it is very important that you should stop your therapist from double dipping. Number one, what we generally do at Blush and Curls is that we have a stick. We put one side of the stick, then we wrap it up when we use the other one. And the girls are wearing gloves as well. So it's not contaminated with their skin. It's not touched. So the customers, so let's say if I'm doing a lady's hands and legs waxing, I would throw off around 35 to 40 sticks, which is a money for me.
Yeah.
Because वो sticks तो मेरे लिए कोई काम के
कोई
नहीं.
काम के नहीं है.
Tissues are going, bed rolls are going, gloves are going. But we try to keep this hygiene at the utmost. Simple reason of the concept that we have. मेरे वजह से किसी को बीमारी नहीं होनी चाहिए. I have to answer there at the end of the day and I should not be the reason for this. So it's very important that when you go to do these small checks at your salon,
Very important.
very important, because you don't compromise paying lesser amount and compromise your health. This is very important.
बट अब तो विवाद हो जाएगा. अब मैं पूछ लिया था.
पूछो.
लेकिन 100 दिरहम में 15 सर्विस देने वाला हाउ विल मेंटेन दिस हाइजीन?
तो 100 दिरहम में 15 सर्विसेज मत दो.
या
इट इज सिंपल एज दैट. मैं आपको एक छोटा सा इंसिडेंट बताती हूँ. मैंने जब सैलून ओपन किया था, मैं 3-3.5 साल तक मैं सैलून में रिसेप्शन की तरह ही बैठती थी. बिकॉज माई जॉब वॉज टू एजुकेट पीपल.
फ्रंट
डेस्क पे बैठे. आई डिडंट हायर एनीवन एज रिसेप्शनिस्ट. मेरी सिर्फ टीम थी और हम लोग 7-8 लोग थे. सो वी यूज्ड टू मैनेज इट लाइक 2-2.5 साल. 3 साल तक टीम तो बढ़ गई अंदर की, बट आई वाज स्टिल आउटसाइड बिकॉज आई वाज स्टिल नॉट कॉन्फिडेंट कि मैं अगर हट जाऊंगी तो मेरा ये काम कोई और अच्छे से कर
अच्छा से.
क्योंकि आई वांटेड टू क्रिएट अवेयरनेस. तो मुझे ना सैलून्स में कॉल्स आते थे बिकॉज दैट टाइम आई स्टार्टेड ऑलरेडी, ये विवाद वाले सारे टॉपिक्स मैंने बोलना शुरू कर दिए थे. मैं मेरे इंस्टाग्राम में बोलती थी, यूट्यूब में बोलती थी. आई स्पीक वन ऑफ द लैंग्वेज विच इज मलयालम एज वेल. सो मेरे इंटरव्यूज आज भी एक मलयालम टीवी चैनल में ब्रॉडकास्ट होते हैं. दो हफ्ते में 2 बार
Nice.
जाता है. सो जैसे ये बाहर आने लगे, लोगों को, आसपास के लोगों को काफी तकलीफ होनी. सो आई यूज्ड टू गेट कॉल्स फ्रॉम दी salon owners around me. And they're like, तुम्हें लगता है कि by doing this you would sustain here? I assure you, you will be closed down in 1 year.
धमकी.
हाँ. So I was like, okay, thank you, but at least this is creating some difference in the community. See, if I build this, if everyone follows in the same protocol, it is good, na?
Yeah.
There's nothing bad in that, right?
Yeah, but
So
profit ratio उनका कम हो जाएगा.
you try to make in a better, even if you are trying to do in this way, you still will not sustain with a higher profit ratio.
Correct.
But what you could at least do is give a clean, safer place. Use the products not like what I'm doing it in safer thing, but at least keep the clean and hygiene partner. So at least you will get more of the customers. So if I have done that change and shift, I'm happy.
बट यू नो ह्यूमन साइकोलॉजी
Yeah.
कैसा होता है ना, आप मॉल में जाओगे आप बार्गेन नहीं करोगे. आप
Exactly.
सब्जी मंडी जाओगे आप बार्गेन
कर-
करोगे. दैट्स हाउ, मतलब ऐसे फंक्शनिंग होता है ना
True.
मतलब ह्यूमन ब्रेन. सो आप प्राइस ज्यादा रखोगे, दे विल से कि हमारी पॉकेट बर्न हो रहा है. दे विल नॉट थिंक कि
True.
हेल्थ मैटर रखता है. भले ही आप एक आईलैशेस कर लो और नेल्स नेक्स्ट बार कर लो, बट हाइजीन देख लो.
Exactly.
So it's my utterly request to all my Royal Tribes people. People see, आप ना 50, 100, 200 धर्म का कपड़ा कम पहन लो, पर स्किन के साथ कॉम्प्रोमाइज मत करो.
सोना भी कम पहन लो, चलेगा.
हाँ, सोना भी कम पहन लो यार. क्या होता है ना कि कपड़े ये सब में करने से बेटर है कि आप स्किन में इन्वेस्ट करो.
True.
बिकॉज वो डायरेक्ट आपके हेल्थ को, आपके बॉडी को टच होता है.
और आप सुंदर दिखोगे, हमेशा यंग दिखोगे, बिना कोई कोई ब्यूटी प्रोसीजर्स.
एजिंग उसके ये वो, आप स्किन का ध्यान रखोगे, पहले से हाइजीन मेंटेन. एंड ये बेसिक चेक्स, जैसे हम स्कूल में बच्चे को डालते हैं तो बेसिक चेक्स करते हैं,
100%.
आप सैलून में भी एक बेसिक चेक्स कर दो. नहीं है तो उनको बोलो भाई हम पे करेंगे, आप रखना शुरू करो.
करेक्ट.
और ऐसे ही चीजें चेंज हो सकती हैं.
करेक्ट.
बिकॉज इट्स एब्सोल्युटली 100% ट्रू कि हम सिर्फ कस्टमर्स के बारे में बात करते हैं, बट सैलून वर्कर्स के बारे में कोई बात नहीं करता. ये किसी को पता भी नहीं होगा. more than 200 सैलून वर्कर्स हैव डाइड ड्यू टू ऑल दिस केमिकल्स एंड ऑल. एंड वही जहाँ कैंसर में बोलते हैं कि कुछ भी अलाउ नहीं है, दे आर अलाउइंग.
Yeah.
आप क्योंकि ना मुझे तो लगता है अलाउ ज्यादा होना चाहिए, बिकॉज
Yeah.
दे विल फील गुड. दे विल
नो, वी हैव कस्टमर्स जो कीमो कर तुरंत हमारे पास आ जाते और दे डू लाइक मसाज कराते या मैनिक्योर पेडिक्योर कराते, नेल पॉलिश. क्योंकि काफी लोगों को ना नोड्यूल्स फॉर्म हो जाते तुरंत, तो वो बहुत केयरफुल कहते हैं मसाज कर. अगर नेल में किधर भी कट गया तो यू नो मुश्किल है. एंड इसी कारण इट हैज टू बी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट योर टूल्स आर स्टेरिलाइज्ड,
Yes.
बिकॉज यू डोंट नो what the person have unless they get checked. So you don't become the reason for anyone's biological hazard.
Amazing. बहुत सारे फैक्ट with all the details we have. And जहाँ हम सैलून की बात किए, आपके पर्सनल बारे में बात किए, एक जर्नी के बारे में बात किए, बट we cannot forget one thing, that do you think clients even know how close their hormonal disruptors are? ये clients को पता होती है पहले से?
Not really. तो इसमें जैसे मैंने कहा कि काफ़ी एजुकेशनल फैक्टर्स होते हैं. जैसे अभी कोई क्लाइंट आ गया स्किन केयर के लिए हमारे पास, तो हम काफ़ी डीप स्किन ट्रीटमेंट्स करते हैं, जैसे कि एक्ने, ओपन एक्ने स्किन, पिगमेंटेशन स्किन, मेलास्मा, सेंसिटिव रोसेशा, सारे स्किन टाइप. बट हम मशीन्स यूज़ नहीं करते.
Okay.
वी डोंट यूज निडल, नो मशीन, नो ब्लैक हेड रिमूवर, पिंस तक यूज नहीं करते. बट वी ट्रीट द स्किन. बट क्या होता है ना, जैसे ही वो आते हो कहते आई वेंट टू माई डर्मैट एंड मेरे डर्मैट ने मेरे को ये प्रोडक्ट दिए. तो आई डोंट वांट टू टेक द नेम ऑफ द ब्रांड्स, बट ये बहुत ही कॉमनली यूज्ड एक ब्रांड है जो मेरे डर्मैट ने दिए. तो मैं कहती हूँ ओके नो प्रॉब्लम. मैं सिर्फ आपसे आई विल जस्ट आस्क यू टू डू वन एक्सरसाइज इज दैट गूगल आउट द इंग्रेडिएंट्स बिहाइंड दिस and see how these are hormonal disruptors for you. And not only that, but also they can cause major problems further. So instead of repairing, it is not actually, it's giving a quick fix for you, maybe removing or drying your acne, but on a longer run, what it is causing for you. This is very important. So I put that thought in their head, they go back, they definitely
check it.
they check, and they come back. So when they'll come back and they'll tell, how did you know? So you mean my dermat is what she's telling is wrong? I said, no. But tomorrow, because I come from a skin anatomy background, if I would apply NDH and follow the proper procedure, I would become a dermat too. Right? So I'm not saying, but what they are also in a peer pressure of selling certain products because they work in that format.
Yeah.
For me, I'm here to educate. I'm not here to put anyone down. My job is not to tell ये बुरा है, ये बुरा है, वो बुरा है. मेरा काम यहाँ
ये
है,
सही है,
ये
use
सही.
it.
This is the right way. Even if you don't take products from me, you don't do treatments from me, but still you need to follow and just educate yourself.
Educate.
So like you said, hormonal disruptors. People these days want very quick fix.
Yeah. I asked you this question particularly because it disturbed me a lot. 10 years kids are getting product from Sephora. So you heard about Sephora?
Yeah, I know.
एंड आई एम सो डिस्टर्ब कि 10 साल के बच्चे के लिए सिफोरा मतलब उनके लिए इमेजिन द ब्रांड थिंग उनके लिए इट्स जस्ट अ प्रॉफिट रश एंड ऑल बट
Correct.
ब्लड बॉइलिंग थिंग्स कि बच्चे इतने छोटे छोटे बच्चों को केमिकल्स एंड मेकअप्स पे झोंक दिया जा रहा है लंबा लाइन लगा हुआ
Correct.
आपके सैलून में बच्चे आते
ओ बहुत सारे मेरे सलोन में 8 साल 7 साल सो हमारा सलोन का कॉन्सेप्ट ये है कि वी आर सेफ फॉर प्रेग्नेंट लेडीज ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग मॉम्स एंड किड्स
Okay.
सो वी डू एवरीथिंग
Natural.
naturally we do even the hair like sometimes it becomes very difficult for moms to manage their hair तो हम hair straightening कराते हैं the nail polishes that we have it's 50% based color and 50% is water तो वो जल्दी dry नहीं होता but safe बच्चों के हाथ से निकल भी जाए तो no problem. So what you mentioned, one of my branch in Mankul branch particularly, I get a lot of girls who have already, this is a different thing of buying Sephora and they are in makeup, but they're already done some kind of beauty treatments with injections, fillers.
there's kids
They're kids, teenagers.
oh my god
So अगर 4 लोगों को एक साथ खड़ा कर दो ना, they all look alike.
oh that's the
They all look alike.
Yeah.
And a lot of people generally ask me, okay, why love? Like if among our friends and stuff, they're like, why Lavanya, you are not? As an influencer, that I get a lot of requests
Yeah.
from people to do, lip fillers and Botox and stuff. And since I smile, my upper jaws, because I lost a lot of weight, so, the upper part of the lip.
yeah
Like do
shut
some.
more smile
Yeah, so they will like do this first. I am happy what I am. God has made me like this. I am happy. Now, if you come and ask me why, I would not say good things about any of these beauty procedures because I know the long run में biological hazard क्या होने वाला.
अभी सामने देखो ना इतने सारे हार्ट अटैक्स
आ रहे हाँ. So मैं जब जाना चाहती हूँ ना, मेरी भगवान से हर दिन यही प्रार्थना है दैट मैं सुकून से जाना चाहती हूँ. आई डोंट
सडनली तो नहीं
ना एंड मुझे ये ना दर्द और ये पेन और इसमें ना आई डोंट वांट टू लाई डाउन एंड बिकम समवन्स लायबिलिटी बट पीपल डोंट थिंक दैट दीज डेज एंड दे वांट क्विक फिक्स and this is yes all thanks to social media because we have a lot of things and people are more into hype because everyone cannot tolerate one fine line. People cannot tolerate lines on their forehead. They can't tolerate crow feet. They cannot tolerate small, acne or the marks. There was a time when people did not want, even they want to remove their own freckles.
Oh, yeah.
Now people are going and putting artificial freckles. So I have absolutely no idea कि
चल क्या रहा
है.
अरे so किस अभी जो आपने बोले बच्चे लोगों के लिए इमेजिन तू उनके एक बॉन्ड साइन होता है
Correct.
राइट तो बच्चे लोगों के लिए आई डोंट थिंक 18 प्लस चाहिए होगा उनको
Definitely, but उससे नीचे वाले लोग भी करवाते because there are so many clinics that openly does it.
I don't want to take the area's name
Yeah.
but I think if it's possible, they need to be closed.
And you'll also
offers are going on like
Correct.
499
Yeah,
dirham,
yeah, yeah.
599
Correct.
dirham and 299 dirham. And बच्चों लोगों के लिए I don't know, अब इसमें पता है पेरेंट्स का भी बहुत I think गलती है.
Yes, yes.
You have to be monitored.
Correct.
Like उनको इससे
And you have to put your foot down and say no.
yeah, say no.
No, but if a parent is doing it, then they would encourage the daughters also to do it. You know?
I have seen 3 साल का एक बच्चा को सैलून में बिठा दिया and pricking out that बाल को कलर कर रहा है and she's crying loud at her heart. It feels so bad.
We had women, we had clients where they push their daughters to get vaccine done at a very, very early age. So the right time to do is that after the puberty. I always tell that it's after puberty you can do. And don't push your kids to do just because she wants to wear sleeveless or, you know, she wants to, and you're pushing your daughter to do into a thing that she's not
Pressure अलग
comfortable.
हाँ मतलब literally I'm telling you Lavanya, when I was in graduation, I know maybe we are old school now. This generation,
yeah.
but for graduation, millennials, like हम first year graduation first
I
year
know.
तक eyebrows and vaccine शुरू करा.
I have not even done that. I used to use, shaving blades to just remove the hair off the intimate area. Otherwise, I didn't even bother. हाँ, मैं eyebrows करती थी when I was in college. But when I started working, that's when and before opening the salon, I only used to go for my hair because my hair is very thick. I can't manage because I was working. तो मुझे सिर्फ blow dry करना था and I'm out.
That's it.
That's it.
Can you imagine कि अभी के बच्चे it's about parents also. It's about
100%.
and it's about I don't know, but legally action should be taken. जो ये allow करते हैं, because if this all needles are not below 18 years,
Yeah.
and जो allow करते हैं, God knows.
Yeah. So these needles and stuff is generally, this was introduced like Botox and filler. These were introduced initially for medical reasons where people had certain disability on their face, on their body part, where because Botox is basically a neurotoxin. If you're using a little more than that, it can cause damage directly to your nervous system, and it can also droop your eyelids. You know, you can also have an stroke because of this. Because it actually temporarily it paralyzes your muscles. That's what the Botox does. And fillers are direct effect to your bloodstream. So if the usage is less or more, like you said, where people go for cheaper options, where there's offers, there's so many clinics, so many places, aesthetics, salons, I would say, who opened up for doing it without any proper guidance and stuff. So if they don't follow this and if little more went high, it could actually cause
Lifetime damage.
The other thing which is commonly nowadays seen is glutathione, the whitening treatment. सबको गोरा बनना है.
हाँ, Korean.
You know? So people, Korean
So
beauty.
done with this Korean.
So people start putting injections on their skin. They all start looking, bright and white. This causes direct damage to your organ, especially liver and kidney. So you don't know.
प्रॉब्लम यही है ना, जो ट्रेंड देखा वो करना है. एंड सेलिब्रिटीज को आज पहले क्या था ना, पीपल आर नॉट अवेयर ऑफ सेलिब्रिटीज क्या कर रहे हैं.
Correct.
वो बाहर क्या भी बोल अब वो सुंदर लग सकती तो वाई उनके साथ कम से कम 20 डॉक्टर्स चलते हैं.
Correct.
एंड उसके बावजूद उनको हार्ट अटैक्स आ रहे हैं. इतनी फिटनेस, इतने डाइट, कुछ तो कारण होगा.
100%.
एंड व्हाई वी नीड टू follow celebrities.
And you don't know because when you do these kind of beauty treatments, your body has a natural mechanism to fight. Like when you are exposed to sun, melasma production or melanin production वो control करता है. So you are not having higher pigmentation stuff. When you go through glutathione on these treatments, automatically your body is like stopped working because it's thinking external and your skin will burn faster. When you have anything like Botox and filler at certain time, the Botox, it starts stopping because your antibodies are thinking something extra is coming in your body. Let's stop. And it will not perform as it is supposed to perform. And as you age, at one point in time, your body will stop giving up in all of these treatments. So why are you putting yourself under scissors and knives and needles?
जरूरत क्या है यार. See, I'll tell only one thing. It's your skin, your soul,
Correct.
your story.
Yeah.
That's it. It's enough.
Yeah.
सो ये तो रहा हमारा ब्यूटी सेगमेंट, बट एक बहुत अच्छा सेगमेंट है जिसके बिना लाइक वी कांट let you go around. It's social media.
Yes.
Influencer journey. And हम सबसे पहले ये बोलेंगे कि first it was models. They were just pretty faces. Now it's influencers. Brainless, shallow, just selling skincare. But no one talks about the pressure, the burnout, or the battle behind every post. So from directly, Lavanya will talk about deep insight about influencers, not just influencers. We sail in same boats.
Yeah.
I call myself an ethical influencer. I know चीजें चेंज हुई है, इन्फ्लुएंसर्स का मतलब चेंज हुआ है, बट दम हिट तो नहीं बोल सकते. अच्छे अच्छे सेलिब्रिटीज को टक्कर दे दिए.
Correct.
दे आर लाइक थ्रेट फील कर रहे हैं, वो भी उसी चीज
वो ही promote कर रहे हैं, हाँ, promote कर रहे हैं.
तो दम तो नहीं बोल सकते.
Correct.
बट हाँ, परसेप्शंस है, उसको आज हम डाइल्यूट करेंगे एंड लेट्स सी हम कितना डाइल्यूट कर पाते हैं फ्रॉम द रियल 1 मिलियन क्वीन. सो I'll ask कि if AI can write your caption,
Yeah.
make your face, edit your reel, then what's left for any influencer?
Correct. So, if you would look at all of my posts, I'm someone who loves to write. So pata nahi, when I am creating, I'm creating a post, automatically the captions run in my head. So I try not using AI for captions. I do it by myself.
Okay.
So this is one thing. Like I mentioned, popular बनना कभी ऐसा ड्रीम नहीं था, बट जब हम उस सीट में आ जाते, it feels good. But it also comes with a lot of social peer pressure to look good. क्योंकि आप फीड में ऐसी कोई चीज नहीं डाल सकते जो
सुंदर ना हो.
जो अच्छी ना दिखे aesthetically. People say aesthetic these days. The simple reason is that because people who wants to work with you, they want that aesthetic face. So before 2022, 2022 till up until 2022, I was 110 kilos. I was not looking like this. I was super 10 kilos, so I was overweight. And I started my journey at the end of 2022 when I lost my father-in-law. He was like my father. Like we were so close. It was in a sudden thing that we lost him. So I had a meltdown in front of my gynac. She told me, like, just go back, relax, and start small step. In my previous life, in teenager and childhood and all of that, I have always been a sports person. I have always been active person. I am a dancer. सब मैं करती थी. But this life of being entrepreneur, eating habits and not
थोड़ा
eating,
shift हो
all
जाता है,
that.
हाँ.
So you don't know that and my husband kept on telling me, थोड़ा कम कर ले, it's not good. I never heard him because नहीं मैं इससे अच्छी लग रही हूँ ना, body, and I'm always been a body confident person, saying all of that. But then when it started affecting, that's when I decided that I'll start my journey. So I started that journey on my own. No dietitian, no like any therapist or no fitness coach, nothing. I decided to do that. I was staying in apartment that time. I decided to do exercise in that apartment of mine. Down there is chota sa gym tha. I started from there and I started eating on time and eating right stuff. So as soon as that happened, I started losing weight. Today I'm 74. Okay.
It's a long journey.
Yes. So people, when they saw me, that shift, everything changed. Every brand wants to work. Everyone wants to look that. There are people sending me swimwears. There's people sending me nice dress. Like, I work in this brand. They look nice because it had that sudden change. So it is the social peer pressure also puts on you because a brand really wants to work in that. So it was nice and I'm still doing it, but I always also look upon the brands that I'm promoting. I don't promote, if you look at my page, I don't promote hair care brands, no skincare brands, simply because there are so many well-known hair care brands who wanted to work with me. I said no. Even they were paying good amount of 40,000 dirhams. I said no. simple reason for that is that I don't want to go against of what I'm saying. So I don't want to be that person के जो भी आ रहा है सब promote करो. So I look very detailing about how I do this. I work with influencers for my business. That's how I've seen the top to the micro, and I've seen the shift of a micro going to a macro to the top, and people forget where they start. There are very very few of them. अगर आप मुझे 10 बोलोगे, 10 में से I think 2 ही लोग रहेंगे who are still grounded and who genuine, who put out things as they are. They are not someone off the grid, some other person on the grid, some other person. My nephew, he's like my son. He's raised with us since the age of 7. So now he's working in a PR company. So he's handling a lot of influencers.
Okay.
But since childhood, he's seen me doing this from past, 10 years restaurant जाते हैं खाते. So recently we were at a place, at Indian restaurant where my birthday celebration, they invited me. So we had. So he's telling me, मामी like अगर कोई और होता यहाँ पर, they would have created a fuss कि इन्होंने सिर्फ 3 पीस ही दिया कि हम तीनों में डिवाइड हो. बट आपको मैंने इतने साल से देखा है, फर्स्ट टाइम आई हर्ड हिम सेइंग दैट आप कभी ऐसे नहीं रहे हो. बिकॉज आई सेड बेटा, बिकॉज दैट्स अ बिजनेस. they come, they put that plate, वो decorate करते, they wanted to explain why they're doing all this effort, because they wanted people to see through my lens and come there. So for me, अगर एक भी कस्टमर मेरे वजह से वहाँ आ जाए, that is enough. That will give me immense pleasure indirectly. That's a blessing that I'm taking. So a lot of things like you mentioned about social media, this is something where people should not forget.
See, एक पॉइंट है, सुनने में बहुत बुरा लगेगा, फिर वही विवाद. बट पॉइंट इज influencer turning entrepreneur or founder is different ball game.
Correct.
Entrepreneurs or founders turning influencer is different ball game.
Correct.
Mindset is different.
Correct.
So you said you've been to that restaurant and you've seen. You have not said because you are coming from a founder background.
Correct.
You've been through that,
Yeah.
and then you become an influencer.
Correct.
And वो एक होता है.
Correct.
वो जर्नी आप जब जी लेते हो ना,
Correct.
तब वो होता है. एंड बेसिक एथिक्स जो है ना, वो यू शुड नेवर लाइक
नहीं भूलना चाहिए.
नहीं भूलना चाहिए. इसके लिए आपको ये बोलने की जरूरत नहीं कि शाहरुख खान ने तो पान मसाला की ऐड कर लिया. भाई, तो शाहरुख खान ने तो लेट्स नॉट टॉक अबाउट हिम, बट स्टैट्यूटरी वार्निंग्स भी तो है, आप जो नहीं पढ़ रहे हो एंड आप बोलोगे तो मैंने कर लिया, तो क्या गलत है? यही आजकल बोल रहे हैं ना कि शाहरुख खान कर रहे हैं, अजय देवगन कर रहे हैं, या दे आर डूइंग इट.
बट दोनों के ऑडियंस डिफरेंट है
दोनों.
बिकॉज यू आर लिविंग in a realm of people that is currently in front of you. Where you're meeting, you're
यही तो इन्फ्लुएंसर जनरेशन आया.
Correct.
सेलिब्रिटी जनरेशंस क्यों ओवरलैप करके इन्फ्लुएंसर? बिकॉज इन्फ्लुएंसर जो इन्फ्लुएंस करता है,
करेक्ट.
जो एक चीज को इन्फ्लुएंस करके उसको सही राह दिखाता है.
करेक्ट.
ये पूरा टर्म ही चेंज
हो
गया है.
बिकॉज इन्फ्लुएंसर्स इवन एक सेलिब्रिटी को इन्फ्लुएंस कर सकता है,
इवन
एक मूवी को इन्फ्लुएंस कर सकता है. तो आप एक्चुअली उनके सोर्स ऑफ इनकम का उनके इनकम का एक सोर्स बन रहे हो. बिकॉज आप उनको प्रमोट करते, मार्केटिंग. पहले क्या होता था, ऑनलाइन
पॉडकास्ट में आके मूवीज अपने आप को प्रमोट कर रहे हैं.
तो आप उनको एक्चुअली वो आपकी जरिया बन रहे, क्योंकि वो आपको बता रहे आओ और हमें प्रमोट करो. तो वो जो कर रहे हो जरूरी नहीं आप कर रहे हो, बिकॉज आप इन्फ्लुएंसर एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी के साथ चल रहे हो.
It comes with an responsibility, immense responsibility.
So I think all the influencers, भले वो माइक्रो हो, मैक्रो हो, high tier 1 हो, whoever it is, you should actually feel that you should be authentic to your audience.
Exactly. और यहीं पे जब सब डरते हैं ना, AI is there. The moment you get authenticate with your viewers, with your audience,
Correct.
with your family, with your tribe, AI can't replace you, because AI unauthenticate हो सकता है,
100%.
उनको ब्रांड जैसे भी यूज करे, you can't be changed.
Correct.
Real human, real brain, उनकी ethics, this cannot be changed by AI.
Yeah.
Mark my word. And that's the power of influencer, जो human emotions, human ethics, वो जो एक अलग कर सकता है. You use AI tools?
I don't.
Not
I
at
don't.
all.
Sometimes for my salon
Which do you
caption,
use?
just the chat GPT.
Okay.
That's all. I don't have any installation, anything, nothing.
AI tools,
nothing,
anything.
nothing.
You think कि AI एक रेस है और जिसमें अगर ब्रश अप नहीं किए तो हम पीछे रह जाएंगे?
Not really. It's a technology, and I think everyone should be in line with it to understand how does it operate, what does it do, but never get carried away with that technology because you are the one who created it. They did not create you. You know, it is very simple as that. So don't get carried away and do whatever AI. I tell my husband the same thing. AI जो बोल रहा है वो सुनो मत, अपनी बीवी की भी कभी सुन लिया
Yeah.
So ये होता है कि yeah, it is very powerful tool. You know, there are a lot of tools that is available in the market, the way how technology, but let's understand that these tools have been created by human to enhance the stuff, make it much easier in our daily life. But that cannot be only tool that you're using because you have to use your brain. It's much powerful. If
Correct.
it can create AI, it can create anything in the
Anything, yeah, yeah. You have 1 million family, 1 million.
Yeah.
It's a big deal.
Yeah, it is.
They are
I don't
watching you-
know also.
They are also watching you constantly,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Something they don't know about you yet.
I think most of them know me, how my journey started. I was born and raised here. Everything because it's most of the things are in internet, and I think people love, and I'm very blessed. So I got 1 million just this year. That's after 10 years of me being on Instagram, you know, socially active. So I'm grateful, most of them. And the good thing is that these followers are not only my clients, but they are also, I have followers from India where I worked with some brands. I have followers from Indonesia because last year I worked with them, and I don't know the amount of love that they give me is really, you know, overwhelming. I have followers from Rovaniemi, Finland, where people are following me, and they never forget any of my special days, by the way. So they will wish me on my birthday, on my anniversary. They remember, which is something that I'm ever grateful because this love is something that, you know, you expect, especially when you work globally outside. And people look at you that, you know, I have a lot of people from Azerbaijan, from Armenia, you know, who follow because they feel that, okay, someone might have gone because of me to this place and they might have referred. So that's what they felt that, okay.
Connection.
Yeah. That she's authentic because of her, the way she promoted our business. People know us through this platform. So I think it took me a while to reach, and as I told you, that was never my intention. But you know, when I was stuck at 970K, फिर मुझे लगने लगा 1 million हो जाएगा तो better है. So I was asking कब होगा, but then you know, slowly, yeah, that happened this year actually when I went to Kyrgyzstan. Now I have a lot of followers. I was working with an airline brand, and I remember an incident that we were talking to one. People who knew only Arabic, so I speak some Arabic as well. So they came and they started talking and they were asking, where are you from, whatnot. So there was a girl of 13-year-old, 12-year-old, she was sitting in the swing and watching me, not telling anything. So our ride came and all of us, we were only 5 content creators from UAE who went to represent Kyrgyzstan. So I was going there and I sat inside the car and this girl came running and she said, you are Miss Lavanya from UAE. I said, yeah. She's like, oh, I'm a big fan. I want to become an entrepreneur. Like, see, the first thing people, you know, when they look at me, they're like, blush and curls. And I'm very happy.
That's good.
I'm very happy.
Blush and curls.
Yeah, because they will tell me not with they'll call my baby's name first more than me. So I'm very happy about it. So this girl, she came and she said, you're the end I wanted to become. I'm studying. It was lovely meeting. Can I take a picture? I didn't want her to give my number because I don't know them. Yeah. So I told them, you can message me on Instagram. And she sent me a message, long, message that was very overwhelming. So I think it is somewhere, something that I love when I eat work. When I go to petrol station to fuel, there was one guy, 2-3 times it happened. They're like, "Hi ma'am, how are you? I follow you on Instagram. Can I take a picture?" I said, "Bhai, ye halat mein nahi, I'm not like this when I'm at my work. I'm in my coolest, track pants and my
और इसको इंडियन पैप्स मत बुलाना
so I just did my normal,
नहीं बुलाया
and I'm not. It's not that I'm not comfortable. And the most people would see me in a very raw, clean skin without any makeup. Most of the time, 90% I'm like that, and I love to be on that skin. Whether I'm going to gym or I'm working out or I am at anyone's place like casual.
That's how.
I don't care. I tie my hair up and I'm just myself because I don't want to load up myself with it. So I think it's the love and the affection and the overwhelming, thing. Sometimes it comes and ek jhatke mein aa jata hai. So
It's good. It feels good.
It feels good, and it comes with a lot of peer pressure also. But then I try to not take that into my head.
Yeah, but do you think content creation can be a career?
It is definitely a good
can
career.
be.
Yeah, 100%. Content creation is absolutely one of the leading career these days. If you don't need to compete yourself with anyone. I was reading a book yesterday. I was telling my team as well, and I wanted to tell this to everyone that just keep one thing in your mind that you just keep telling yourself, I am incomparable. So do not compare
Manifest.
yourself with anything.
Yeah.
So content creation, when you do not get into peer pressure of thinking that,
Yeah,
oh, she is content creator, she's making money, so let me also be a content creator. No, if you don't have a passion, don't jump into it. If you have a passion driven,
Consistency.
and it requires a lot of consistency, a lot of effort. It requires a lot of hard work. Your aesthetics have to look good. You have to click the right picture. You have to check, and you have to keep on posting, speaking, and find your genre, like what you are good at doing it. Just don't do that some people are doing, today you're in this salon, tomorrow you're next, and third you're next. Then you're buying one skincare, then you're posting, then then you're doing giveaway, then you're doing giveaway, then you're doing then you do unboxing.
Sub confused हो जाए.
No, so keep your genre, that what you're good. If you want to show nice, like if you're good at cooking, focus that, I'm trying to do that video from a very long time, but I'm not getting time, which is people have, my insights shoot up very high when I speak about my personal stuff, when I'm at travel and when I'm cooking.
Okay.
These things really shoot up. My insights are very high during this time.
This time.
People love to see more, I think, about me because I don't put that side to a lot of,
Yes.
and my dog, of course, so usko dekh
उसके तो मैं आ ही रही हूँ. उसके उनके लिए मेरे पास बहुत कुछ है.
So, I mean, it is something, content creation, yes, this part of the world specifically makes a lot of money, and I think it's an amazing career to choose if you have a passion to do it.
And अगर मैं क्विकली बोलूँ, आप क्विकली सबके लिए कोई टिप्स दो. 2025 में बीट इट इंस्टाग्राम और टिकटॉक, हाउ टू गो वायरल.
See, I cannot tell you how you would be viral in one day or whatever, but there can be something that you might have posted. You can go using the right hashtag. What you want to focus. If I'm going and searching on Instagram, let's say food bloggers in Dubai. So use that as a hashtag because the brands will find you out if your reel pops up. Do not jump into trend that someone is already doing, thinking that your video will be viral for that. I'm not doing that. It's your personal choice. But I think the most important thing is being consistent, keeping your images or your videos taken in the right lighting, right shots, keeping that crisp clear, and use minimal text and stuff, and don't do a lot of overloading and take time. You never know what can click.
So you think influencers, like micro influencers, or who wanted to be content creators, they need agencies for brand collaborations?
Every brand in UAE, basically, there are a lot of agencies that work with you. There are people who work directly also with you. So it depends. I mean, if you're once in the list and you're doing a store, I worked with a lot of small agencies initially because I was helping and I started getting a lot of collaboration. So I did a lot of them initially in barter, but now I don't do. Simply because it's a money also, and
Time
it's my
is
time, and
of course.
yeah. So I don't do that anymore because I get paid for most of my things. Saying that if someone
Initially, you started with barter.
I did with barter, and I also started getting paid at the same time. So I was doing mix of both, but a lot of people, because I didn't know, I told you, right? The whole thing was empowering other businesses in UAE. This was the whole motto. So I didn't know इसपे पैसे भी मिल सकते थे. Honestly, I didn't know because motto was थे जाओ और खाओ और उनको promote करो उनके बारे में बोलो. If you like it, you talk. That was the whole intention. But then yes, like I said, especially if you are leaving your job. And if you want-
Everything,
yeah. If you want to do, then this is your
this
career.
is-
Then yeah, of course.
So 2025 में अगर आपको वायरल जाना है, so
अच्छा
it
काम
is-
कीजिए.
कर्म अच्छा की.
कर्म अच्छा कीजिए, काम अच्छा कीजिए, लोगों की दुआएं लीजिए.
Exactly, दुआ में हो सकता है. It's an influencer telling, I'm not telling anything.
अच्छा काम कीजिए. That's it.
Okay, अगर बोलूँ मैं, the ideal way to build distributors, like business versus brand versus deals, community, how to manage this?
Once you start doing for a brand or working consistently, so when you work for a brand, ensure that you're working for a brand not in just for the sake of moving ahead. Because I see a lot of places when they invite you, you generally go and post only 1 and 2 pictures and you're done. If you keep doing that initially only, then you will not get the people that you wanted to work with. But when you keep that consistency, when you put your efforts and you showcase in detail, definitely it works. So it will attach and come.
Okay.
Like I said,
It
you should,
depends.
focus on your genre. If you're doing fashion, keep your focus on that. If you're doing food, keep your focus on that. And eventually it will circle around food, fashion, and lifestyle.
It's going around.
It will always move around. But like I said, you have to put your efforts in the way you put your stories out, you put the detailing out. A lot of people tell me that why do you put so much of stories about a restaurant, 2-3 is enough, because it is creating pressure on them. So who were influencers who are working for me still and who were influencers before me has this complaint to me, Lavanya, आप है ना हमारी life ये कर रहे हो, problem में ला रहे हो, क्यों इतना कर रहे हो? Because brand started asking for us the same thing.
Yeah.
But that's how I have been.
That's the transparency.
Yeah.
You need like what interesting segments अभी आने वाला है, वो this or that,
Okay.
and it's amazing.
Okay.
You don't have to think. You don't have to like quick this
Okay.
and that.
Done.
Done. So yes, this will be all right, Glam Squad. It's time to spill the chai. Let's play a quick round of this and that, this or that, with the queen of conscious beauty herself. Ready? Before that, LOL Tribe, you already know we talk about showing up fully, mind, soul, and yes, style. So, whether you running a business or just running errand, do it in a gear and that gets you. Enter Puma. Bold, breathable, built for women on the move, from Powerworks to Power Place. This isn't just sportswear, it's statement wear. Use code PU75 at checkout to unlock your exclusive LOL Tribe discount. Go run, but no, not now. First, let's finish this or that. Don't forget Puma PU75. This or that with Lavanya Vikram. Lavanya, this and that, you tense?
No, I'm not.
Okay, so let's do it.
Yeah.
Botox or gua sha?
Go Asha.
Okay. Private jet or jungle detox?
Jungle detox.
Okay. Filtered face or fierce reality?
Fierce reality.
Okay. Burnout or balance?
That's a tough one. But burnout. And for now, yes, burnout.
Okay. Glow up or grow up?
Grow up.
Filter or bare skin?
Bare skin always.
15-hour work day or 5 hours smart hustle?
15 hours work day. I have to work.
Okay. Holistic spa or quick fix facial?
Holistic spa. I am a massage person. I love massages.
Okay. Glam shoot or mental health day?
Mix of both, can I say?
choose. Yeah, of course.
Oh yeah, mix of both. Yeah, mix of both. Yeah,
Both
now
need-
currently mix of both.
Okay. Banana peel mask or TEDx stage?
None really.
I just mixed it. So
Okay.
you're listening it. Okay. Banana peel mask or Multani Mitti DIY?
Banana peel mask.
Okay. Instagram reel or TEDx stage?
TEDx stage always.
You're listening it. Controversy or compassion?
Compassion.
What gets you more view?
Compassion.
Amazing. That's quite a quick shot.
Yeah.
You need validation from your viewers, from your audience.
Not really. I have built up my life on my own, and I am happy of whom I am and how I've reached to this level. And I don't think I need validation from anyone. Only if the God signals me that this is wrong, I understand. But yes, of course, I always take guidance from like my mom, my mother-in-law. She's like my mother. She always puts me right into the track. I have my very close friend, my husband, who gives me sometimes a right check. Okay, this is what you're going wrong. This is what. So those, my sister, those things that I need from the closer ones, I always take. But I also saying that I also take a lot of feedback or a lot of validation from my team who's working with me for a longer time. Sometimes from my client, maybe you could have done this. So I think over it. If it is required, I do it. But otherwise, to run a life how I am, to change myself, something, I think I don't need validation from anyone.
Amazing. It's absolutely unapologetic, unfiltered from Lavanya Vikram. Lavanya, thank you so much for getting unfiltered, talking about something which is really personal,
Yeah.
like anxiety, depressions. We learn about this salon checks. Very important to go through about the salon checks because beyond the mirror, what's been your rawest moment, Global Empowerment Summit speech you given, right?
Yeah.
And Lavanya, what advice would you give to the young Arabs or the brown woman or the entrepreneur or the content creators upcoming?
I just wanted to say be yourself, be authentic. And the first thing I learned in my early stages of my life is that to accept rejection with a smile. Because if you learn to accept your rejections and if you learn to accept something that did not happen for that particular time, you would grow faster.
Yeah.
Always consider, for me, I have considered every rejection as a step to move forward. So if someone said you can't do it, I'll create a step, I'll walk one step ahead. And I think that is very simple. If you do anything in your life, just have a passion to it, attached to it. Obviously,
Correct.
you're doing this for money or whatever, but if you don't have passion and you're doing it with peer pressure, it cannot work.
Correct.
It has to be with with your passion. Patience, persistence, and prayers. It's very important. These 3 P's are very important in life. Always be grounded no matter how you grow in your life. Keep your feet grounded.
Amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Coming to LOL Junction podcast unfiltered. And how do you like it? What's your experience?
I absolutely loved it. I think there was no inhibition on whatever we spoke. Whatever you asked, I think I've given a complete clarity of how I am. And I hope your viewers would find it interesting as well, because there was no filters on what we spoke. This is something that I absolutely love on doing on podcast is that, just being yourself. Like, I am just myself as I am. You will see me now like this. You will see me later off the podcast. I'm always like that.
So we can expect you for season 2 or part 2 also.
Of course, why not?
And that's a laugh. Yeah, you are ending this. That's a Glow Unfiltered episode wrap with a laugh with Lavanya. True beauty doesn't find or doesn't trend it, transform it. We uncovered clean beauty to unfiltered confessions. Huge thanks to Lavanya for her raw honesty. Remember, Puma code PU75 and Dyson code D88. I'll give on all this in the comment section also. Your fast pass to clean beauty savings. Today was about peeling layers, not applying them. If this conversation touched you, your heart, hit subscribe, share this with every woman redefining her glows, and tag us with your takeaways moment using our LOL Junction tribe, and Lavanya is there with you. See you again.